Hello, welcome to Astronautics for Exploit. This is Dr. Ayinshola Ogundele. Laser-based interplanetary Internet missions, a next-generation deep space communication concept using focused laser beams. For several years, laser-based interplanetary Internet missions, characterized by next-generation technology, using near-infrared light to enable data transfers, 10 to 100 times faster than current radio systems, have progressed from experimental demonstrations to core infrastructure. Presently, several high-profile deep space missions are testing laser-based interplanetary Internet capabilities in order to replace radio frequency systems. Laser-based interplanetary Internet missions include deep space optical communication, Artemis 2, laser communications relay demonstration, and commercial and Earth orbit constellations. The focus points are as follows: deep space optical communications, Artemis 2, laser communication relay demonstration, and commercial and Earth orbit constellations. Deep space optical communications. Deep space optical communications is a pioneering NASA technology demonstration hosted on the Psyche spacecraft, launched in 2023. It has successfully established the foundational capabilities for a future interplanetary Internet by proving that high-bandwidth laser communication is viable across deep space distances. As of January 2026, Psyche spacecraft remains healthy and is actively cruising towards Mars encounter. Artist's concept of NASA's Psyche mission near the mission target is shown in this picture. Psyche satellite current status, the primary deep space optical communication technology demonstration, officially concluded on September 2, 2025, after completing its final planned communication pass from a distance of 280 million miles. Potential reactivation. NASA is considering reactivating deep space optical communication hardware in 2026. Deep space optical communication is illustrated in this picture. Psyche functions and achievements. Deep space optical communication demonstrated data rates of 10 to 100 times higher than state-of-the-art radio frequency systems. Beamed the first Ultra HD video from 19 million miles away at a maximum rate of 267 megabytes per second. Extreme distance. It successfully downlinked data from a record distance of 37 million miles. Artistic rendering of the ADTN protocol is shown in this picture. Psyche functions and achievements, precision pointing and tracking. The system proved it could maintain a stable laser link to within a 0.25 microradians, despite the spacecraft moving at thousands of miles per hour. Interplanetary Networking Foundation. By receiving over 13.6 terabits of data during its phases, it has validated protocols needed for future crewed mission to Mars. It tested beacon assistant pointing, where a 5 kilowatt crown laser acted as a guide for the spacecraft. NASA Deep Space Network is shown in this picture. Artemis 2. Artemis 2 is NASA's first crewed mission to the Moon since the Apollo program, a 10-day journey that will send 4 astronauts on a free return trajectory around the Moon. The mission is targeted for launch no earlier than February 6, 2026. By January 2006, the fully stacked Space Launch System rocket and Orion spacecraft have been rolled out. Artist's concept of interplanetary Internet is shown in this picture. The Artemis 2 mission overview. While the primary communication system remains traditional radio frequency, the Artemis 2 system will be operated daily in order to demonstrate the operational utility and reliability of laser communication. LCRD satellite in geo with laser beam is shown in this picture. High-definition video transmission. The primary function is to transmit live 4K ultra high-definition video and high-resolution image from the Moon back to the Earth. It provides a downlink capacity of up to 260 megabytes per second. International Space Station, which has been involved with interplanetary internet testing, is illustrated in this picture. Operational communications. It serves as a secondary high-speed link between the Orion spacecraft and ground stations in California and New Mexico, allowing for the transfer of procedures and flight plans. Testing future architecture. The mission is a crucial step for the planned lunar net system. Artist's view of LCRD sending a laser signal to Earth is shown in this picture. Laser communication relay demonstration is NASA's first two-way optical relay system, launched in 2021. It serves as a critical operational testbed for the interplanetary internet. Illustration of how laser-free space optical communication technology is reshaping global connectivity is shown in this picture. Laser communication relay demonstration. It remains active in geosynchronous orbit, continuing its role as a permanent relay platform for near-Earth and lunar proximity missions. Following the successful completion of Illuminati terminal mission, then it is transitioned to testing broader network protocols. NASA's laser communication roadmap is shown in this picture. Two-way optical relay. Unlike direct space-to-ground links, LCRD acts as a middleman. It uses two optical modules in order to simultaneously receive data from a spacecraft. Gigabit data rate. It demonstrates bidirectional data rate. Benefits of laser communication is shown in this picture. Atmospheric characterization. A primary ongoing function is to study how weather and atmospheric turbulence affect infrared lasers. An artist's concept of the Pathfinder technology demonstration is shown in this picture. Commercial and Earth orbit constellation. Modern Starlink satellites use inter-satellite laser links to route traffic directly in orbit without needing constant ground station flexibility. Project Kuiper successfully tested 100 gigabit per second laser links between prototype satellites. And SREDRS, European Data Relay System, uses lasers to provide space data highway. Space-based laser communication is shown in this picture. For more information, contact Astronautics for Exploit. You've been listening to Laser-Based Interplanetary Internet Mission, a next-generation deep space communication concept using focused laser beams, by Dr. Ayenshola Ogundele, with a focus point deep space optical communication, Artemis 2, laser communication relay demonstration, and commercial and Earth orbit constellation. Thank you.